So you can also go around and use color pop inside of the black and white guided mode right here. So if I were to go around onto the guided mode right here, and then if I were to go to black and white, then you can see that black and white color pop is an option which allows you to select out one particular color. So I'm just going to go around over here onto black and white color pop right here. And then over here on the right side, you can see that you can pop out different colors. Let's say, for example, red right here. And if I were to select that, only you can see that the red colors pop up. You can go around for yellow so that only yellow pops up right here, like the paddles right here. You can go around and have a blue pop up over here or a green pop up, as you can see. So there's not much green right here, so you don't see much. You can go around on to select custom color and then select outer color as you wish over here so that only that color pops up over here as well. So let's say you just want to pop up, let's say this blue right here, just click on it and that color will be popped up. You can go around and increase out the fuzziness level right here to get more range of that color, or decrease it out to make it more, let's say for example, strict right here. You can go around onto the refine as option right here, go around, work around with the size right here and refine out the edges over here as well. You can go around and click and let's say paint it right here. Let me increase the size and you can see that you can paint around to get back the color range over here in a certain range right here. You can work around with the opacity over here as well, so that only certain color ranges actually pops up. You can go around over here and then increase up the saturation over here as well, just like this by clicking on it. And then you can see that the saturation of the image increases as you click more on it right here. So that is how you can go around and then make further edits right here, just like this, increase out the saturation. And then you can see that the blue pop-up gets more. You can refine out the edge and add in, let's say, for example, a bit of color right here, just like this, and work around with it. So that is how you can work around with guided black and white color pop inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.